This video is about easy text masking using Canva. It will work like this. So let's create. Open a blank video page. Click on elements. Let's select this square shape. Go to colors. Select this color. Now place it here and increase its size. Click on text, add a heading. Select font Leak Spartan. Click on spacing. Then from letter spacing, reduce letter spacing. Select this and rotate it in the vertical manner. Place it here and increase its size up to the height of object. Click on share, then download. From here select PNG and click on download. It will be downloaded. Add the downloaded image. Click on elements. In the search box, search for nature. Click on photos. Let's select this one. Now go to apps. Click on blend image. Now select blend image app. Then from here select this image. Now click on add to design. A new image is generated with the mixture of both. Remove the other images from the page and increase its size like this. So click on BG remover to remove its background. Now click on elements. In the search box, search for paper. Let's select this one. Click on set image to background and it will look like this. I hope you like this video. Kindly share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.